Hello students, welcome to your Edugani. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to this channel. Okay, now we are going to discuss about functions in Python. Python functions is nothing but a code, block of code. To define a function, def keyword is used, followed by function name and parenthesis. Let us take function name is fun1 followed by parenthesis. Whenever the function 1 is called, we want to print hello world. Print hello world. Here we have to take colon. To call the function, simply take function name with parenthesis. Okay, now execute this. Okay, here indentation error means we have to keep space here. Now see, hello world is printed. So now in order to give parameters to the function, let us give parameters as a comma b. To print the addition of a comma b, print a plus b. Now give the parameter values as 2 comma 4. This one will print addition of a comma b. The answer will be 4 5 6. Let us see. Okay, hello world 6. To print in next line /n. Okay, thank you friends, welcome to your Edugani. Now we are going to discuss how to use lambda functions in Python, where lambda functions are nothing but a function which has no name, and lambda functions are also called as anonymous functions with which is known as function without name. Okay, let us take normal function def function of a comma b. Okay, whenever this function is called, we have to print sum of a comma b, a plus b. To call this function, let us take function of 2 comma 3. Let us execute this one. Function of 2 comma 3 is indentation error is coming. Okay, now answer is 5 is getting now. Like this only we have to use in lambda function. Let us take lambda of a colon a comma b for multiple parameters, colon a plus b. Okay, let us print this one as, to call this function, let us give the name as x of 2 comma 3. Let us give this as x equal to, let us call this one. Here syntax error is getting. Why here syntax error? Okay, here spelling mistake, lambda. Now see 5. Here the lines statements are increasing, but here with one line we are executing the whole. Here time also less when compared to normal functions. Okay, so by this we are conclude that lambda functions are more better when compared to normal functions. In lambda functions we use multiple parameters or arguments. Let us see. Y equal to lambda of a comma b comma c colon, let us take addition, a plus 2 plus b plus c. To print this, print y of let us give values as 1 comma 2 comma 3. Let us execute this. 8. Thank you for watching. You are Edugani. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel.